Hello guys, this is Moshumi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So from the title you guys already know that today's video is totally different from the video I usually do, because for a long time you guys were requesting me to do a haul video. So here it is. By the way, for the first time in my life I am doing the haul videos, so I might mess it up. So please pardon me and stay with me till the end to support me. So in today's video I will be showing you guys the products which I have recently purchased from Amazon before Durga Puja and during Durga Puja actually, because I needed some things and there was that the great Indian festival sale was going on Amazon. So I think there couldn't be any better time than this time to shop. So yeah, let's get started and see what are the products I have purchased during that sale. So the first thing I will be showing you guys, that storage. This is a storage for lipsticks. This organizer box is made of plastic and the quality I would say is average. At this price it's good enough though, and for the product links and the price please check out the description box below. I have actually ordered it to just keep the lipsticks which I use on a daily basis. You can keep any other makeup products other than that lipsticks. So I will show you guys after organizing it how it actually looks. And the next one is also a storage. Yeah. And that is also for makeup products. So yeah, here it is. I actually used to keep my makeup products in the PR boxes which I received from the brands, because most of the PR boxes are really good looking and hardy enough. But this time I thought that I should buy some extra storage for my makeup products because I really need it. And this hasn't come alone, it has come with this one. So yeah, 2 storage box together. This is the bigger one. Yeah. These 2 boxes are also made of plastic, but I think they are sturdier than the lipstick storage that I have shown earlier, and also I think they look nicer than that one. They look like a basket right now. So yeah, I loved this one more than that lipstick storage. I must admit the fact that I didn't expect the quality that much good. Yeah, the quality is really good, really good. So yeah, I didn't expect that it turned out so perfect for my products, makeup products. So yeah, I loved it. So the next one is that hairspray, and that is from Gatsby. The Great Indian Festival Sale is still live on Amazon. So if you want to purchase any of these products, just click the link below given in the description box and check out the products. And one more thing I just want to tell you guys, that this is not my first purchase. I have been buying this product since I have started working as a freelance makeup artist. So at least for 3 or 4 years I have been using this hairspray, because this is a budget friendly and also it doesn't have any strong fragrance like the L'Oreal one. So yeah, that is why I like that setting spray. And the next thing is that I know many of you will be liking this one because the packaging is so good, no? This is from Swiss Beauty. I really like the packaging, the look, everything of this brush set. I think this brush set is perfect for doing your personal makeup. So soft, yaar. Seriously, so soft. Actually, I have bought a budget-friendly brush set from Amazon a long time ago, and that was from Fuji. You guys can see. And for professional makeup, I would suggest this one. It has 10 brushes in one set. I think at 300 rupees it is more than good enough. And the brushes are really soft, I must say. If you are a person who does multitasks with one brush only, then you can definitely go for this brush set, because it has 2 brushes for face makeup and 4 brushes for your eye makeup. So yeah, quantity wise it's not remarkable one, but quality wise it's really good, really good. And I think you guys will be liking the next product also. If you follow me on Instagram, then you guys have definitely seen me creating an eye makeup using these palettes. So yeah, I have used these palettes immediately after receiving them because they are so delicious to look at and they are super pigmented. I think if you are a professional makeup artist, I think these eyeshadow palettes must be in your bag. Yeah. And along with that glitter palette, I have also ordered these 2 small palettes. And these mini eyeshadow palettes are also very pigmented. They have matte and glittery eyeshadows both. I think they are perfect for your personal use. And the next one is that these 2 products. This one is the L'Oreal Extenso shampoo, and this one is the L'Oreal Extenso mask. Because you guys can see, I have recently done the smoothing, so I really needed this shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, I have bought it. Another shampoo, and that is a dry shampoo. My scalp is very oily and not always I get the time to wash my hair. So yeah, I keep a dry shampoo with me for any emergency case. And last but not the least is that this blow dry brush. I have ordered this blow dry brush just to save my time, because it literally takes 10 to 15 minutes to dry out all your hair, and also it gives a nice looking finish to your hair at the same time. So yeah, it's totally worth the money. So yeah, this is it. These are the products I have purchased recently from Amazon, as there was the Great Indian Festival sale was going on. So let me know what you guys have purchased from Amazon during that sale, and what are you planning to buy. And also let me know in the comment section if I should do more such haul videos for you guys. So let me know if I have messed up or missed out anything in that haul video, so that I don't do that same mistake in my next haul video. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, please. And lastly, whoever is new here, please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.